Introduction. Hey, connect to World Pals. Today, let's explore the term hernia. It's not just a medical condition. There's more to this word. Let's dive into the complexities of the body. Meaning. So, a hernia is a medical condition where an organ or tissue protrudes through an abnormal opening in the surrounding muscle or tissue. It often results in a noticeable bulge. Usage. Imagine understanding the symptoms of a hernia or discussing treatment options with a healthcare professional. Examples. Think of a hernia occurring in the abdominal wall, or a hernia repair surgery to correct the protrusion. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhɜrniə, a term that requires careful consideration, right? Different uses. Ever heard of inguinal hernia? It's a common type of hernia that occurs in the groin area. Conclusion. If the idea of hernia intrigues your medical curiosity, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more informative word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.